Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off auto delete YouTube activity history on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off auto delete YouTube activity history on Google Chrome, go to Google Chrome and in search type my activity, and then you will find welcome to my activity. Click on welcome to my activity, and here you will find YouTube history, and it's turned on right now. Click on YouTube history. Now scroll down. Here you will find auto delete, and now it's turned on, and you will find a link deleting activity older than 3 months. Click on here, and here you will find a button don't auto delete activity. Just select it and then click on next. Now click on confirm, and no activity will be deleted now, and then click on got it, and look, now auto delete is turned off. This is the easiest way to turn off auto delete YouTube activity history on Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.